Hey guys, in this video I wanna show you how you get rid of acne scare at home. Acne scare are formed when a breakout penetrates the skin deeply and damages the tissue beneath it. Before you trying to treat your scars, it's important to know what type they are. Each type responds to treatment differently, and some treatments are better for particular type than others. But you don't need to still worry about that. This amazing remedy will help you to remove acne scare in easier way at home. To make this magical remedy, we will need few useful things such as Aloe Vera Gel. Aloe Vera Gel is also known as Aloesin, may help to reduce hyperpigmentation in acne scare. Aloe Vera Gel can be used to lighten acne scare. Aloesin helps reduce to overproduction of melanin, a darker pigment that can make acne scare more noticeable. Next one is cinnamon powder. Cinnamon is known for its blemish eliminating property. Rich in antioxidant, cinnamon heals the skin and helps to clear away scars, marks and spots from the skin. Cinnamon also heals the acne scare and can be used as a homemade lip balm. Next one is honey. Honey may help fade acne scare. You can use honey as a spot treatment on scars, applying it every day or every other day as a paste at the side of your scarring. Last one is olive oil. Olive oil is also an important ingredient to remove acne scare from your skin. Those dark spots left behind after a pimple heal are called post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation. Now we can make this magical remedy. Firstly, we need aloe vera. Simply we just add 1 teaspoon of aloe vera into the container. The next amazing ingredient is cinnamon powder. We just add 1.5 teaspoon of cinnamon powder to the container. Then we need honey as an ingredient. Just add 1 teaspoon of honey into the mixture. In the last we need olive oil. Just add 1 teaspoon of olive oil into the mixture. Now mix it well. And the remedy is ready to use. Hey guys, if you like this video, please like and share this content and also subscribe this channel for further amazing video in the future.